Well, hey, you know what? Out there today, we've got a lot to talk about, you guys. We started out the morning with some rain, and that rain is still with us, but it's lightening up just a little bit. However, we've already accumulated over a half an inch of rain, which was much needed, so that's good. But also want to talk about the colder temperatures moving in on Thursday, and then we've got the potential for snow showers that are possible for Friday into Saturday, and potentially a few flurries on Thursday as well. We're going to break all that down. So with that being said, you'll want to grab your winter coat. It's going to be a chilly weekend ahead. But let's start with current conditions right now. Take a look behind me at radar, and you're going to see some rain showers getting a little lighter as they move through the Piedmont Triad. However, that's not going to be the case up until the lunch hour. These showers could strengthen again, and we could see those rainfall totals increasing. This is where we're at right now, just over a half an inch of rain. I don't think we're going to hit an inch today. I think we're going to kind of stay in this range for the rest of the day with this rain moving through, which is good. That's a lot of rain. And then let's talk about snowfall totals. One thing I want to say before we get into this is there's two models. This is not an official forecast. These are models that are predicting these snowfall totals. And we are still so far out from the weekend that the forecast could certainly change even a few times over the next few days. But I want to show you what both models are predicting so you can get an idea of what we're expecting. First, this is the European model. And this is the one we suspect being a little generous with snowfall totals. You know, last night, it was funny. It had 23 inches predicted of snow, and now we're at 8 inches is what they're predicting. But what we're really looking at is the GFS model. It's a little more accurate to what we think is going to be expected as far as snowfall totals are concerned. And that's just a dusting, you'll notice. So really not even enough to cause any issues as far as accumulation. It'll be gorgeous to look at, but what we think right now is going to happen with the snow on Friday into Saturday, it's going to be gorgeous coming down, and then it's not going to cause any issues as far as driving or anything like that. Still good to prepare. And we're going to keep an eye on this as we get closer. But again, we are so far out, it could change over the next few days. So by noon today, we'll be at 53 degrees. We'll have showers through our lunch hour, meaning it could be a little humid with these temperatures. And then our forecast high rounds out to 57 degrees this afternoon. It'll be cloudy and unseasonably warm. Tonight, 48 degrees, mostly cloudy skies out there, so those clouds are consistent with the forecast for the day. And then you're going to notice in the next 7 days, we get a little bit of a cool down. And that's because, like we talked about, there's a front coming through on Thursday, dropping temperatures into the 40s, 20s overnight, though, which is why that snow accumulation could be possible, because if it starts to rain, it will certainly turn into more than that and could be some snow. Into Friday and Saturday, we're expecting the same thing to happen with lows staying in the 20s. And then by Sunday and Monday, obviously, the snow moves out, but we still have temperatures that are in the 30s with lows in the 20s, but we'll see more sunshine into Sunday and Monday.